Hello everyone, this is Ushmita from TK College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. I am making this video to demonstrate my internship project predicting life expectancy using machine learning and a smart bridge. For doing this project, we need services like Node-RED, Watson Studio and Watson Machine Learning, which are provided by IBM Cloud. First, I'll show you my Smart Intents dashboard. This is how the dashboard looks like, and my internship title is Predicting Life Expectancy Using Machine Learning. This is my IBM Cloud dashboard. Here we can see the services and resources. I have used services like Node-RED, Watson Studio and Watson Machine Learning. First, we'll open my Watson dashboard. Click on this Get Started button and open the Watson Studio dashboard. This is how the dashboard looks like. Here we can see the recently updated projects and we can also create new projects. In Assets tab, we can see Data Assets. Here I have downloaded this life expectancy data asset from kaggle.com. We can also browse from our local computer. First, we need to go to the Settings tab and look for Associated Services in the Settings tab. Scroll down and see the associated services. Add the service as Watson. As we are doing the Watson Machine Learning service, we need to add as Watson. Click on this Add in Machine Learning. By this we can add the service as Watson. Go back. Now go to the Access token and click on this New Token. Give the name for our token. And next choose the role for a project as either viewer or editor. And then click on this Create button. By this, we have generated the token for a project. And next go to the Add to Project tab and choose Notebook. Here we have to write the code for a project. This is my code which I have used for this project. First, I have imported all the packages and then loaded my data asset into the project. Next, I have explored the data and checked for null values. Next, I have generated heat map. And then I have generated some scattered graphs. Next, I have created data frame. These WML credentials are found in the service credentials. Copy them and paste them here. After copying, we'll be getting the scoring endpoint. After getting the scoring endpoint, we need to integrate with Node-RED app. This is my Node-RED flow. The first node is form. Here we can see the labels and have assigned names to the labels. The second node is pre-token. Have set all the variables to global and we can see this API key in WML credentials. Next, we need to create HTTP request. And method should be set to post and make sure that everything is written as a JSON object. And next there is a send to endpoint function. Here we have to set the instance IDs. This instance ID is found in our own WML credentials and give values to the input variables which are given in our form. Next, there is another HTTP request node. This is for our WML model. Here we are integrating our model and we should copy and paste the scoring endpoint. Next, there is get from endpoint node. This returns the predicted value to our user interface. This get from endpoint returns the predicted value to our user interface. And the last node is prediction. This node is for our final prediction. After deploying, next we need to deploy our node. After deploying, go to the dashboard and go to the link provided below. From here, we'll go to our final output interface. Here we need to give the values, input values as age, BMI, polio and all other factors that affect the lifespan of an individual. After giving all these values, click on the submit button down. Then this displays the predicted lifespan of an individual based on the inputs given. This is all about my user interface, which I have deployed in this project. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.